Alright guys, you guys should be able to tell from the caption of the video that y'all gonna get ready with me real quick. So that's why my face is bare, and I'm just gonna take you through the process of me getting ready to go out. First things first, I prepped my wig because that's what I'm wearing today. And normally, sometimes I put a stocking cap on before, but I don't feel like it. I'm probably not gonna keep that wig, this wig on for long. Only because for those who know me, I change my hair very often. So I'm just gonna keep this on for now. So I'm gonna be using my mirror, try not to block y'all, but I also need to see because I wear glasses. I don't have them on, but I'm nearsighted. So yeah, so I'm just gonna prep my edges, and I'm going just right in front of my hairline. You could use Got2b glue. I plan on keeping this on for like maybe a week, maybe less. But yeah, I'm using the Ghost Bond glue because I like it. It works. It keeps my wig on for a minute. For those of you that use Ghost Bond, it's pretty sticky. So put my wig on. If you guys haven't seen the video on how I got this, please check it out. I will leave the link in the description below. But yeah, moving on. So I'm gonna prep her, putting it on, and lining up my edges and hairline. Kind of press it down there. Kind of use my hand. Sometimes I use a comb. But yeah, for now, use my hand to press this bad boy down so that if the wind blows, I ain't worried. Okay, so using my trusty mirror to check. All right, first things first, my hair keeps falling in my face. So we gotta fix that because I can't do my makeup if I can't see. And I already ain't got my glasses on. So I got this net thing. Like whenever I buy bundles, ooh, cute choker. Whenever I buy bundles, it comes with it. So I kind of use it to help gather my hair without like messing up my curls too much because everything's just pulled back. All right, so anyone that knows me knows I don't really wear makeup that much. Like on a typical day-to-day basis, I'm all natural hair unless I'm like going out or going somewhere. So I'm also not a beauty guru, nor do I claim to be one. So the way I get ready and the order I do it in might be different from everyone else's. Just putting that out there, because I get ready to what fits my strengths and my weaknesses. Weakness number one, when it comes to putting on lashes, the struggle be also real, because it's just a struggle. Yeah, what I do is I take one of my T-pins or like whatever and pour some glue on something. Some of my lash adhesive. I find that if I do my eyes first instead of like what I normally do. So what I normally do is I used to put on foundation, concealer, all that good stuff, then my eyes, then my eyeshadow, whatever. But what I was realizing is, where'd my tweezer go? Where'd my tweezer go? There we go. What I was realizing is that when I do my eyeshadow last and mascara and all that good stuff, the fallout from the eyeshadow used to be, you know, all over the foundation, and then I have to reapply and ugh. So do the eyes first, and I'm just gonna try and do this way because my sister normally helps me with this part. Hey Bella, you're all wet. Sorry, welcome to the. All right, step one's done. Lashes are on. Step two, already moisturize my face. Lashes took forever and a day to get on, I might add, because I didn't have my sister here to help me. But we made it through. So step three is I'm gonna prime. I'm gonna prime my face. Oop. Alright, that's a good start. I'm gonna roll out my little kit here. Get what I use for my eyes. I like to start with a lighter color, so like really white, because that helps to pop my makeup more. And I'm using NYX. I mean, like 99% of my makeup is from NYX. I like it. It works for me. Alright, that is the finished look. I'm gonna get dressed and it's a wrap. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And want to put in a reach out? Call me when you're home so I know you're safe. Bye!